and we all vibrate at the same level. So there's I don't know if people, your basic understanding of science is that we are all vibrating. We are all atoms. We're not technically solid. We're atoms vibrating, but we're vibrating so fast we feel like we're solid. So what we're going to do is we're going to do some vibrating with our voices and our breath to calm ourselves down. This was another good pattern drop that works for your kids. It's not an immediate one, but it's a soothing, calming one. So what I want you to do is we're going to make an A sound, where instead of using the A sound with our throat, we're going to use it from our stomach. So instead of going, ah, I want you to try to go, ah. Make sense? So everybody breathe in. And everybody, let's try to do it for 5 to 10 seconds. Breathe in and go. So now, let's try that one more time. Focus on the ah sound and not any other sound to get attention. Ready? One more time. Breathe in. And everybody go. Let's do an M sound. M is in Mary. Ready? Breathe in. And go. Try to get it to come from your belly. Try an O sound. Breathe in. Go. Okay, now ready? Now feel. What do you feel? How many of you, okay, relax, how many of you feel like your whole body, so you're just all connecting to every other human being in this room. This is a great way to do this with your kids, so you're breathing in and breathing out, where you're going, like that, and it helps calm you. Make sense?
Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching my videos. Ron Schwally here. Just wanted to say I appreciate you. Feel free to like, subscribe, and click on the bell if you want to see more videos coming your way to be alerted. Just thank you so much, and feel free to share this content with anybody who you think would find some value from this. Have an awesome, joyous, wonderful, breath-filled rest of your day.